Welcome to Friendsgiving. Starting with the dry aged turkey. Boom.
That's boneless.
So we're salting the bird, some lemon zest, and we're gonna hit it with some duck fat. Into the oven it goes. Cook it till it's 160. Duck fat, make it nice and golden brown. Garlic, bay leaves, mirepoix. Duck fat, mirepoix goes in, white wine, bones go in.
Got some chicken stock.
First you want a little salt, then potatoes.
You know.
Oh. Heavy cream and milk. A little bit of rosemary.
Butter,
Butter.
more butter, salt.
Oh yeah.
Ooh, that's fucking juicy though.
Hot food, hot plate. Oh yeah.
Mmm.
Some good shit.
Happy Friendsgiving.
Cut.